This is my Toyota Corolla 1997 that I just replaced the alternator here, as you can see. So this is my new alternator that I just replaced. Look at it here, you can see it's here, and from here, this point actually is the cable that charge this battery, okay? And this is the whole alternator. Okay, you can see that's actually the original alternator that came with the car over 20 something years ago, 23 years ago. Okay, because this Toyota is 1997, and I want to show you why it's actually gone. Okay, because if you look at it carefully here, I don't want to touch it with my hand because it's so dirty. Okay, so if I look at it, you can see how dark it is. Okay, look how dark it is. And that's because oil was leaking from the cover of the engine. Let me show you. I used to have a leak of oil from here, and eventually it go down and it reach here. It take for many years. I have a small leak. I already fixed it, but the leak actually, I believe, caused to this alternator to fault. Okay, it didn't work anymore.
Otherwise, a good alternator will last the entire life of your car.